You've probably watched a dozen videos about starting a faceless YouTube channel by now. You've looked into niches, you've thought about what tools to use, you've maybe even started setting things up, but you still haven't actually made any money from it. And every new video you watch just adds another layer of complexity that makes the whole thing feel further away than when you started. That's not because you're lazy or because you're doing something wrong. It's because the system most people teach for making money on YouTube is way more complicated than it needs to be. You don't need to master video editing, you don't need to build a production team, and you definitely don't need to wait 6 months until YouTube decides to monetize you before you see your first dollar. There's a much simpler version of this that works, and I'm going to walk you through the whole thing in 4 steps. Step 1. Pick a niche with high buyer intent. I know I talk about this a lot, but the reason I keep repeating it is because this one decision determines whether your channel makes money or just gets views. The laziest approach to YouTube is one where you don't have to convince anyone to buy anything. You just need to show up in front of people who are already shopping and recommend something helpful. Think about someone who searches best VPN for streaming in 2026. That person is going to buy a VPN today or tomorrow, whether your video exists or not. All your video has to do is be the one that helps them decide which one. Same thing with best budgeting app for beginners or best laptop for college students. These are buyer intent searches, and the viewers who find your videos through them are the easiest people on the internet to monetize because they already have their wallet out. You don't need to sell them on the idea of buying something. You just need to be the person who pointed them in the right direction. Find a niche where these kinds of searches exist. Sign up for 2 or 3 affiliate programs in that space, and you already have a business model before you've uploaded a single video. Now you've got a niche and affiliate programs lined up. But if your videos take 8 hours to produce, this is going to feel like a second job and you'll quit within a month. So the next step is about making the production as fast as possible. Step 2. Use Claude to create your content. This is where things have genuinely changed in 2026, because the AI tools available right now make it possible to go from 0 to a finished video in a fraction of the time it used to take. Here's the workflow. You connect vidIQ to Claude using the link in the description. Then you ask Claude to generate 10 video ideas with buyer intent keywords in your niche. Pick the strongest one. Then give Claude a prompt to write you a script in a conversational tone with hooks every 60 to 90 seconds. Read through it, tweak anything that sounds off, and your script is done in about 20 minutes. For the voiceover, you can use your own voice with a cheap USB mic, which is the best option because it sounds human, or hire someone on Fiverr for $5 to $15, or clone your own voice in 11 labs, so the AI version at least sounds like a real person. The visuals are the part that used to take the longest, but there's a tool called Remotion that connects to Claude Code and lets you create motion graphics, transitions, and animated visuals just by describing what you want in plain English. You type a prompt, like create a motion graphic showing the top 5 VPNs with their features compared side by side. Claude generates the code, and Remotion builds the actual video. You can add AI-generated images for the same workflow using image models like Nano Banana through the WaveSpeed API. The whole process from script to finished video can take under 2 hours once you've done it a couple of times, and the output looks way better than the stock footage slideshows that most faceless channels are still putting out. That visual quality difference matters, because viewers stay longer on videos that look professional, and longer watch time is what gets YouTube to push your content to more people. So now you can produce videos fast, and they actually look good. But here's the part that changes this from a hobby into an income stream. And it's the step that most creators skip entirely. Step 3. Promote affiliate links from day one. This sounds obvious, but you'd be amazed how many faceless channel creators upload videos without a single monetization link in their description. They're waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so YouTube will let them run ads. And in the meantime, every video they publish is making them $0. That's months of work with no income. The laziest way to fix this is to treat your video description like a storefront. Every video you upload should have at least one affiliate link to a product that's directly related to what you just talked about in the video. If your video is about the best VPNs, Your description has affiliate links to NordVPN, Surfshark, or whatever VPNs you covered. If your video is about budgeting apps, your description links to YNAB or Mint. SaaS tools like Notion pay recurring commissions too. So every sign up through your link keeps paying you month after month. And here's what makes this genuinely lazy in the best way. Those links sit in your video description forever. A video you uploaded 3 months ago that still gets 50 views a day is still sending people to your affiliate links. You did the work once and it keeps paying you. That's the closest thing to passive income you're going to find on YouTube. Now, most people stop here, and if you only do steps 1 through 3, you'll still do well. But there's a fourth step that adds a completely separate income stream using work you've already done, and it takes almost no extra effort. Step 4. Create and sell a digital product. This is the part that most people overcomplicate, but it really doesn't need to be hard. You take whatever niche you're in, think about what your audience would find useful as a downloadable resource, and build it using Claude and Canva. If your channel is about productivity tools, that could be a prompt pack for getting more out of ChatGPT, a Notion template for tracking your workflow, or a simple checklist and walk someone through setting up their first automated system. If your channel is about personal finance, it could be a budget spreadsheet, a debt payoff tracker, or a list of the highest paying affiliate programs in the finance niche. The process is straightforward. You open Claude, describe the product you want to create, and it writes the content for you. You paste that content into a Canva template, make it look clean, export it as a PDF, and list it on Gumroad or StanStore. Both platforms are free to set up, and they handle payment processing, delivery, and everything else. The whole thing can be done in a single afternoon. A $17 to $27 digital product doesn't need to sell 1,000 copies to make a difference. Even 5 sales a day at $20 is $100 a day, which is $3,000 a month from something you created once. And just like your affiliate links, that product sits in your description, working for you around the clock. Someone buys it, they get the download instantly, and you get paid. You're not fulfilling orders or dealing with customer service. The combination of affiliate links and a digital product in every video description means you've got 2 income streams running from every single video you publish. And neither one of them depends on YouTube's ad system or whether you're monetized yet. So, you pick a niche where people are actively buying products. You use Claude and Remotion to produce videos in under 2 hours. You put affiliate links in every description from your first upload. And you create one simple digital product that you sell alongside those links. Every video you upload is a little machine that earns affiliate commissions and digital product sales, whether you're awake or not. The more videos you add, the more machines you've got running. And the income compounds over time because your older videos keep earning while your newer ones stack on top. What kind of affiliate programs are you thinking of joining? What digital product ideas do you have? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.